The advanced exercise mode includes mainly two types of key controls: hit targets, which can be set up as virtual colliders that trigger key events, and exercises, which when you do a specific pose, you trigger a key. The home page can direct you to the Advanced Settings page, Overview page, and Presets page. Advanced Setting allows users to enable logging, manually adjust coordinates of hit targets, and change the key down time. This is the Overview page. On the left, there are several buttons that can direct you to the corresponding setting pages. The two numbers here show the number of exercises and hit targets activated. On the right, there is a preview of hit targets, and there's an element that shows whether mouse control mode or equipment mode or both are activated. In the mouse setting page, users can decide which hand they want to be used as cursor and bind different targets or exercises to left click, right click, and middle click. The exercise configuration page shows the details of each exercise. Users can select which exercises they want to use and calibrate them. They can also add more exercises. The hit target configuration page shows the details of each hit target. Users can select which hit targets they want to use and calibrate them. They can also add more hit targets. Exercise equipment is an advanced choice for users to try out exercises. For example, if the user selects the exercise bike mode and choose the key, then when the user is cycling, that key will be triggered continuously. If the users select walking on the sport mode, they will have to choose whether they want single keybind or state change in game. Single keybind means that when the user is walking, a key will be triggered continuously. State change in game means when the user is moving, the event of hit targets is changed from key press to holding down the key. The Upload Exercises page allows users to upload an image of pose, for example a yoga pose. MotionInput will then automatically detect the pose from the image and store it as an exercise. Users can also save current settings as a preset in the Presets page. This is the flow of the Advanced Setting page. This is the flow of the Overview page. This is the flow of the Presets page.